does this game works? I was in Team B and not applying much effort, yet we won.
How does Team B become the winner? I was in Team A and was using extreme effort, and now I am so tired.
Suhani, Saharsh, you both were the members of team and it's not your individual effort. It was the effort of the team responsible for the final results. Team A also applied force, but Team B applied a larger force. It's a net force and its direction that matters.
Ma'am, what is net force?
In order to understand the concept of net force, we have to perform an activity.
Okay, ma'am.
Can both of you see this heavy table?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's perform the activity using this table.
Okay, ma'am.
Suhani, why don't you try to push the table with all your might?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't make it move.
I'm sure you can move it. Why don't you push harder?
Ma'am, still I cannot make it move.
Saharsh, now it's your turn. Try to push the table.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is too heavy. I am unable to move it. I have applied my maximum force. I could.
Okay, now both of you try to push the table in the same direction.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you able to move it now?
Quite easily.
Okay, Suhani, now call two of your friends.
Okay, ma'am.
Now Suhani and Saharsh, you push the table from one side and let your friends push the table from the opposite side.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when we push from one side and our friends push from another side, it is difficult to move.
Now Suhani, you and Saharsh push the table from one side and let one of your friend push the table from the opposite side.
Okay, ma'am.
Now Suhani, you push the table from one side while Saharsh, you pull it in the same direction.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you now move the table?
Yes, ma'am. Quite easily.
Ma'am, why are we doing all this?
Okay, let us first sum up the observation and then I shall explain.
Okay, ma'am.
When the table is pushed by either of the one student, it does not move. When both the students push from the same direction, the table can be moved. When both Suhani and Saharsh apply the force in the same direction, but their friends apply the force in the opposite direction, it becomes difficult to move the table. When one student pushes and the other pulls the table in the same direction, the table can be moved easily. Let us now summarize what we have learned from these activities. Case 1. When forces F1 and F2 are applied in the same direction, the net force is equal to the sum of these forces, that is F1 plus F2. Case 2. When forces F1 and F2 are applied in the opposite directions, the net force is the difference of the two forces and it acts in the direction of the larger force, that is F2 minus F1. Case 3. When forces F1 and F2 applied in the opposite directions have equal magnitudes, the net force is 0, that is F1 minus F2 equals to 0.
Oh, now I know why in the tug of war game Team B was the winner.
Yes, now it's time to understand the concept of net force. Saharsh, when you and your friend pushes the table in the same direction, did it become easier to move the table? And what is the net force in this case?
Yes, ma'am, it becomes easier to move the table. The net force is the sum of two forces that I and my friend applied.
Exactly, Saharsh. Let us try. Suhani, when you and Saharsh pushes the object in one direction and one of your friend pushes the object from the opposite direction, is it possible to move the object? What is the direction and what is the net force in this case?
Ma'am, when forces are applied on the same direction, the object will move in the direction of the larger force. The net force is the difference of two forces. It is in the direction of the larger force that takes places of the motion in the direction of the larger force.
Excellent, Suhani. Now, suppose that you pulled and your partner pushed an object in the same direction. Draw diagram to show the situation. What is the net force in this case? Net force equals to F1 plus F2. Two forces are applied on an object as shown in the figure. In which direction would the object move? So dear viewers, we hope you have enjoyed watching the activity and will be able to perform it on your own in order to understand the concept of net force. Keep learning and exploring.